The country has seen plenty of tornadoes this spring.
And now a new study shows Tornado Alley in the United States has shifted, and we are seeing more winter tornadoes than in past decades. I can totally attest to this. Living in Tennessee for 6 years, we did see a tornado in the beginning of December, which was unheard of. And I remember the day because that day we went to the zoo. We got caught in a rainstorm, and it got really, really nice during the day. And our meteorologists were saying if it gets really nice during the day, that means the atmosphere is getting juiced up. And that night is when tornadoes came through in December of all times.
We had one up here in December.
Yeah, big time. Right? I think the year before I got here. So, and I remember that. I remember watching that while I was on the West Coast. Yeah, the December months.
Wisconsin had one in February this year.
First time.
February.
First one. Yeah, I mean, you think summer. You think when you get those really, really warm days, is when we get those tornadoes. But it is shifting a little bit in different seasons.
Yeah, I mean, the increase for winter tornadoes it's increased by 100%.
That's nuts.
They're actually seeing fewer summer tornadoes, they said, but that is increased. So not only are you seeing more winter tornadoes, and Joseph, I think you can do a good job explaining why. I mean, it's just getting warmer.
Yeah. I mean,
the conditions are more ripe in the winter.
It's getting warmer. I mean, and we also are discussing how it's shifting itself. You think the Great Plains, you think like Oklahoma City,
Kansas,
Northern Texas,
Wichita, Texas. Yeah, I mean, they get a lot of tornadoes that touch down, but they're not necessarily doing damage because they're just in the middle of nowhere. But in some of these other locations now, in the lower Ohio, River Valley, there's just more people there. And so when we're gauging these tornadoes and we're tracking them, we also do it through landscape damage. So now that there's more people living over there, those are the type of areas that you notice. But you're right. And climate scientists think that maybe frequency and magnitude will be going up because of climate change.
So this trend will continue.
So and they wanted to like really get the hardcore data. So they looked at like 1950 through 1980, and then 80 through 2010, and they said, just like Joseph said, it used to be in your North Texases, your Oklahomas, your Wizard of Oz's, right? And then in the past 30 years, we're talking Mississippi, Alabama, Louisiana, Tennessee.
Yeah, I mean, honestly, the last year in Tennessee, I think we took to our tornado shelter, we went downstairs at least 5 times. And I'm talking tornado warning, helmets on, shoes on, like a tornado is on the ground, and that was, honestly, it's one of the reasons we're like, we're not going to do this anymore. We don't have to deal with this constantly over and over and over again.
It's scary, and it's going to continue. Yeah, and like I mentioned, the frequencies higher, magnitude stronger tornadoes.
Is there such a thing as tornado season anymore?
I still think it's more so going to be that like springtime. So yeah, I would say so. But now we just have some of those outliers.
It's not unheard of anymore. Like it's not a rare event anymore as when it used to be.
I mean, we saw the percentage, 102% for the winter. So
that's nuts.